Hello, I'm Craig Schuler with Synergis Software, and I'm going to introduce you to how the Adept document management software integrates with AutoCAD. There are several ways Adept adds value to organizations using AutoCAD. With integration of Adept capabilities right inside the AutoCAD interface, providing 2D visualization markup and compare, and bi-directional attribute linking. Let's start by looking at the Adept task pane integration from within AutoCAD. First and foremost, the integration enhances design productivity by giving fast access to DWGs stored in Adept directly within the AutoCAD application. The task pane can be moved around, minimized, or resized. Some CAD users place the task pane on a second display screen for easy access. Here in the top section, a user has multiple search tools. I can do a simple search using the first few characters of a file name as my search criteria. Users can pick from a list of fields and create searches using one field or multiple fields. This allows you to search by job number or project number or other keywords. Users can access DWG files in the folder structure they are familiar with from the library browser. The results section in the middle can be configured to show the data each user wants to see by adding and removing columns. In the document dashboard across the bottom, we can see additional information about the DWG. In the lower left corner is a tree structure. Here we are able to view file references such as X references, inserted image references, and non-CAD references between documents of any type. With the Where Used tab, we can see what parents a document has. The Children tab allows you to see the version of each child and its status. If your DWG has multiple layouts, a list of layout information will be displayed here. Adept can work with DWGs that have multiple title blocks contained in different layouts. And on the Thumbnail tab, you can see a thumbnail from the native DWG as a preview. With the task pane, users have the ability to open a DWG read-only for reference purposes or checking out the DWG. When a DWG is checked out, a new version is created and locked to this user. Only one user can edit a file at a time. Opening a DWG is a simple drag and drop from the task pane into the drawing editor. Let's make a simple change and remove some geometry from the drawing. Once a DWG is open, the task pane can be used to create and manage references between other DWGs or images that you might want to insert. With Adept, AutoCAD X references and image references will not break. References are maintained even as files are checked out and checked in, copied, moved, renamed, and routed through workflows. Switching to the Adept desktop interface, we can see the built-in viewer. This viewing technology will allow you to view hundreds of file formats. When viewing a DWG, users can zoom in and out, print, and create red lines or markups. Here, let's create a markup suggesting a change to a drawing. Notice in the title block here, the project name attribute is currently set to project name. Now let's look at how attribute integration can work. Here we see the data card, which contains all the metadata fields about your document. Each Adept customer defines what fields they want to track and has a unique data card layout based on the defined fields. Adept allows bi-directional mapping between AutoCAD attributes and metadata fields. This information here has been automatically extracted from the DWG. By pulling attributes into the Adept database, they can be used centrally for reference, searching, and reporting. Users with permission can even push data back to AutoCAD from Adept without having to open the drawing. Let's update the project name attribute to the proper value. Looking at the title block, we see how the project name attribute information is now filled in correctly. That's a quick overview of the Adept integration with AutoCAD. If you'd like to learn more, please schedule a personalized demonstration.